Okay, so we're going to talk about desensitizing our dogs to sounds around them. The biggest one is, of course, fireworks. We see it all the time. Every year, dogs get spooked by fireworks and run away. So, how can we set them up for success to make sure that they can have a nice holiday with us? Well, the easiest way to do that is to start practicing now. So, setting up something positive for them to focus their energy on, like a lick mat, a food puzzle, something high value to really distract them while we play different sounds around them. We can even just play firework noises around them. Today I'm going to show you a couple different ways that we can start to desensitize them to different sounds. So here I have Raven. She has this nice little treat puzzle. It has some high value treats on it. While she enjoys that, we're going to play some nice loud firework sounds in the background, as well as rolling around a couple loud balls. You can see she's getting a little uneasy, but we're just gonna roll them around. Of course, the purpose is just to kind of make her a little unsure of the noises, but make it positive for her. So she has an outlet to kind of focus on, which is the treat puzzle. While I roll these sound balls around. Good. So I just want to make this a positive experience with all these noises going on, especially with the fireworks, things rolling next to her, moving around her that make noise. Good lady, yes. Good job, yes. Especially when she does things like that where she kind of gets a little spooked but then goes right back to it. I'm going to mark and reward that. So, yes, good job. Can throw a couple more treats onto the mat for her. Good. And doing this like 5 minutes a day during feeding time is a great time to get this done. It's going to really set our dogs up for the rest of their lives because not only is 4th of July a really loud holiday, but New Year's Eve, people's birthdays, people are always lighting fireworks off. There's always cars making loud sounds. So things like this is really going to help them in their everyday life. Just be a little bit more confident. Good lady. In the beginning, she was a little bit unsure about the noises. Now she can kind of just let them go on around her and she's not paying any mind, really. Good lady.